the academic level in our laboratory, just over the last few years, there's one elephant in the room which has really been an issue, and that is the data. So the data is this beast with light sheet microscopy that you have to wrangle at all levels. The first stage is just how do you ingest the data off of these cameras, because light sheet microscopy tends to run one or sometimes more of these cameras full blast for hours, even days. And so the question is, how do you move that data around? How do you store it? How do you process it? And so when trying to think about how to move light sheet microscopy to clinical pathology, I think we're there on the hardware and say the specimen prep. Regulatory approval is maybe a different thing to tackle, but the data is where a lot of the work has to be done. And so I think moving the data to the cloud is one thing we've been exploring within our startup company. And so that makes things a little bit more feasible, I'd say, but still the storage of the data and actually just moving the data to the cloud can actually become a bottleneck. And so there, just the sheer size of the data is something that needs to be addressed.